walk off the track and you can hear yourself still.
I know, no picture.
Alright, here we go. First pass of the day. The test pass Saturday. We pulled it by first round, so left the same tune-up in it from yesterday. Track's still really good. I told you. Thing's spicy.
First hit, test hit here at Grove Creek, last one of the year, went really good. Car looked, sounded, felt awesome. Couldn't have been much of a better pass. Fortunately too, on the chip draw, I ended up pulling the bye first round. So we took Frankie's little tips about when there's a bye in the bucket, be the last one to draw it. Sure enough, I grabbed the chip and it was number one. So we got a bye first round, and then going into second round, we'll either have Joe Clayson or someone else for second round. Clayson's car is really fast. We gave it a little bit more for this first bye hit, and we're gonna hopefully go a little faster and see what it does. Play it by ear. Hopefully everything goes good. The rain holds off, and we can get this race in.
Are we unhooked?
Yep, you are all ready to go, man. We got CO2. Battery's good. Tires are perfect. We are ready to rip. Front blade hard. Alright, Pops, here we go. Good luck. Be safe.
Be safe, Brett. Spicy, but it didn't feel very good out there, did it?
I thought it felt okay.
It was the wind.
Well, obviously, I'm going to lean towards right, but something big happens, then we'll talk about it.
Hey, did you flip that?
What's that?
Did you flip that?
Yeah, I flipped. Every time I flip, I flip.
Second round, we got Joe Clayson. One of the faster guys here, probably the fastest guy left. It's gonna be a tough race. We haven't raced him with this new combo, so we'll have to see how it goes.
on camera going backwards? It's gonna be a badass picture. Finish line, I'm like this. Wait, that's the shoot's coming.
Are you serious?
I don't know.
So when you pull your chutes, it's pulling the front
No,
end
right
up?
before the shoot came out. Like every time right at the finish line, it's always straight, but it just power comes in.
Get scared, Billy?
Good driving, Brian.
What?
Good driving.
The thing was.
Yeah.
Oh, you drove it. His car is on rails, bro.
Yeah, it looked good.
Not bad.
Super good. I mean, he was right there at 60.
Oh, I'm sure he was. It looked close.
I didn't drive away until like 3:30.
Pushing up for the semifinal here. We got
That was a great race.
Troy Lowry. Need the car to go down. We have lane choice. We won the coin flip. So we're pushing some rounds out here pretty quick because of the rain moving in. But here we go.
On's good. Power's on. Shoots are great.
All right, we're ready.
There we go. Nice and clean. Final coin flip.
The golf cart's not broke.
Hey, there it goes. We got Bill rolling the final, right?
Yeah, we got Billy. Yep. It'll be a good race. He's got a beautiful notch.
Yeah, we raced him in the
It's a
last
hatch.
video.
It's a hatchback.
We raced him in the orange car with you.
Yeah, yep. In the
So-
semis.
So we're gonna go and do a coin flip right here.
Yep, it'll be awesome.
Oh, look who's over here. It's Davo. You have a preference?
You got a quarter?
How did we come over here with no quarter? You're slipping it.
Big a flip if you can call it.
All right, on the ground tails.
On the ground tails. Tag.
The else is on the ground. That quarter. Probably is. All right, second left.
Well, like, I mean, most likely, yeah.
Oh, you big shots want to. You know what lane you want? Just tell me.
We'll probably take
I don't give a shit. It don't matter.
It'll be fun. Are you ready to go?
We need some time.
5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
There it is.
Finally. Yeah, hey, we went 2 for 3. 2 for 3.
That's the last two finals that we've won a coin flip kit. Oh, yeah, we won a split. You're right.
Well, splitting on a coin flip.
They used to run your turbo car like 220. All right, Pops, here we go. Do your thing.
did it! You got it done! Oh my God. I thought it was gonna happen.
They're racking all day.
Unbelievable. Wow, unbelievable.
Good job, Bill.
I'd like to make a clean hit one of these goddamn times.
No, it's his.
Yeah.
His pan.
They're making water up there. On both sides.
Look at now it's getting sunny right after it's over.
No kidding, we just rushed to get it done. Well, 2023, that's gonna conclude our year of racing for sure. More than likely, here at Grove Creek, we ended up beating Bill Rollo in the final here for the clean sweep at Cash at the Creek this year. We won all 3 events. We're on a little win streak right now, and car's been running absolutely phenomenal. So we can't complain with how that's been doing this year, and all the little things and changes that we've made. Keeps getting faster and faster every single time that we come out. Expect a big year next year, hopefully again. We're gonna have some fun, but in the meantime, we're off for a couple months, so.
Maybe find another race to go to. At least travel to one more. Maybe
Yeah,
he's got
hopefully.
school. I got work, so it's hard. But if we find an open weekend, hopefully travel down somewhere, find a no prep race. Any type of racing would be fun to watch during the off season. Go down there, record it, have a good time. Not sure exactly what's gonna be next, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Peace.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.